Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your GMC Sierra. First, gather all necessary tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Make sure you have about 8 quarts of the correct engine oil and a new oil filter. Park your truck on a level surface and let the engine cool down for at least 30 minutes to prevent burns. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now let's get that old oil out. First, slide your drain pan under the vehicle, directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. This step is crucial for removing contaminants and ensuring your engine gets fresh, clean lubrication. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Screw on the new filter by hand until it's snug, then give it about a quarter turn more. Finally, use a funnel to add approximately 8 quarts of new engine oil through the oil fill cap. After refilling, replace the oil fill cap securely. Double-check the drain plug and oil filter for any signs of leaks. Start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.